Hi guys, my name is Iman Kalyan and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be discussing about capital market. So before talking about capital market, I want to give a short explanation on the structure of the financial market. See, we go to market in order to purchase something. That something can be books, fruits, clothes, etc. But if I want to buy financial instruments such as stocks, bonds and treasury bills, I can't go anywhere and purchase it. So for this, I need to go to financial market. Basically, financial market is a market where all kinds of financial instruments are traded. So there are two types of financial market. One is money market and the other one is capital market. But before talking about capital market, I want to give a short explanation on money market so that you could understand the difference between money market and capital market. See, money market is a market which is made for short-term finance requirement. Generally, the maturity period of money market is up to 1 year or less than 1 year. And this market is mainly governed by Reserve Bank of India. So let's come to our main topic, which is capital market. See, capital market is a market where long-term finance requirement is fulfilled. And those financial instruments comes in the capital market where companies can take long-term fund requirement. So companies raise money from capital market instruments such as stocks, bonds, debentures for long-term requirement. So if I talk about the participants in the capital market, then we can see that there are mainly two types of investors in the capital market. One is retail investors and the other one is institutional investors. So retail investors are those investors who purchase securities for their own personal account rather than for an organization, while institutional investors are those organizations who invest money for the people, such as mutual fund and insurance companies. Again, we can see that institutional investors are divided into two categories. One is DII and the other one is FII. So DII are those institutional investors who invest on their own country's financial assets. So these are Indian companies who directly invest on Indian financial market. That's why they are called as domestic institutional investors. For example, domestic mutual fund, domestic insurance companies and domestic banks. While FII are those institutional investors who invest on financial assets belonging to another country. Generally, the holdings of institutional investors are more than retail investors. Moreover, FII plays a very significant role in Indian stock market and causes market volatility. And capital market is mainly regulated by SEBI, that is Securities and Exchange Board of India, and it was officially formed in 12 April 1992 in order to protect the rights of the investors. So again, the capital market is divided into two categories, which is primary market and the other one is secondary market. So in primary market, new securities are issued. So it is also known as new issue market. It means that when a company issues shares for the first time, then it is first traded in primary market. While in secondary market, those investors who had bought shares from the primary market can sell these shares in the secondary market. In short, we can say that existing securities are traded in secondary market. I hope this video has been useful for you. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos. Goodbye.